find the prime factors of the following number. Means we find out the prime factors of the number. All of you know what is a prime number. The prime number means which is divisible by itself and 1. It is a prime number. Now 32. We divide 32 by 2. 2 ones are 2. 3 minus 2, 1, 2. 2 6 are 12. So we write here 16. Now we write 2 as it is. 16 के factors क्या आएंगे? 2 into 8. So 2 into 2 into 8. We write 2 as it is, 2 as it is. The factors of 8. 2 into 4. 2 into 2 into 2. And 4th के factors 2 into 2. This is our prime factors. The factors of 32 is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. Second 57. 57 के simple factors है 19 3s are 37. 3 is also prime number and 19 is also prime number. So the factorization till 3 into 19. 23 is a prime number. So 23 into 1. 1 is not prime number, so we write only 23. Now question number 4th, 150. So we write down the factors of 150. 150 0 is there, so we can divide by 2. So 150 divided by 2. 2 7s are 40. 1 as it is 0. 2 5s are 10. So factor is 75. 2. Now we factor 75. 75. 7 plus 5 12. 12 3 का डिविजिबिलिटी रूल है कि जो दो नंबर के एडिशन 3 के टेबल में आने चाहिए. तो 12 3 के टेबल में आता है. सो वी डिवाइड 75 by 3. 3 2s are 6. 1 5. 3 5s are 15 means 25. So 75 के factors क्या है? 3 into 25. We write 2 as it is, 3 as it is. Factors of 25. 5 into 5. 2, 3 and 5. Both all are prime numbers. So our factors of 150 is 2 into 3 into 5 into 5. Next 216. 216 is equal to 2 into 108. हमने 216 को 2 से डिवाइड किया. 2 1s are 2. 16 as it is. So first take 0. 2 8s are 16. So 108. Now we factorize 108. 8 even number. So we also divide by 2. 2 5s are 10. And 2 4s are 8. So there is a 54. 2 as it is, 2 as the factors of 52 is 2 into 27. 27 2s are 54. That's why we write 50. Instead of 54, 2 into 27. 2 into 2 into 2 as it is. Factors of 27. 3 9s are 27. So we write 3 into 9. And the factors of 9 is 3 into 3. All numbers are prime number. Therefore, the factors of 216 is 2 into 2 into 2 to 3 into 3. Now the last 208. We divide 208 by 2. 2 1s are 2. 0 as it is. 2 4s are 8. So answer is 104. Again we divide 104 by 2. 2 5s are 10. And 2 2s are 4. So answer is 52. 2 as it is, we divide 52. 26 2s are 50. So we write 2 into 26. 2 into 2 into 2. 26 का factor 2 into 13. 13 is also prime number. All are prime number. Therefore the factors of 208 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 13. That's it.